Hey everyone, Jack here from the engineering team at Weeldi, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to use and interact with the event timeline in the Weeldi Studio. So the event timeline appearing here to the left is going to get automatically populated with instructions as you either generate them with the AI or as you insert them yourself. The event timeline will give you a good high-level overview of all of the instructions that you have either added or removed up to this point in your current session. Also, it's going to help you visualize all the steps that you have locked in as you visually see them being executed and working properly in the window to the right. For each individual event, you could actually click into this green numbered icon for some useful information. It will show you the instruction that comes immediately before and after it, but it will also give you a screenshot of the page itself that was taken at the time that that event was executed. You also have access for each event to these pancake icons. These pancake icons will give you a number of different options. First, you have restart and play up to here. This will be useful if you need to restart the entire flow and if you want to stop at this specific event so that you could start recording from there on. I'll also click into this to show you guys that you could also, when replaying, you could edit the proxy pool or the browser, and these options can be useful if you're getting blocked by a particular site. Click back into it. You also have replay from here on, and this option will replay from the current event starting there and play all the way up to the end of your instructions. You have edit low code. This could be helpful if you need to tweak something or if you need to add in some sort of JSON parameters, for example, node button to my click on login. I'll also go into insert low code after. This will pull up a very similar modal, and this will actually insert a new low code event directly after the one that you are currently on. So if I insert this after event 4, it will now come in between the current steps 4 and 5 in the event timeline. And finally, you have delete from this event forward, and what this will do will delete the current event that you are toggling, as well as every single one that comes after it, which can be helpful when you're first starting out and maybe need to start from scratch at a certain point. And finally, you also have this trash icon, which can be used to delete just the one single instruction or event that you want to delete. That's all that I have for this video. Happy automating, guys.